We got the Utada, y'all, and today's Utada, we're going to be discussing this topic right here. What to do when you're not making sales in your business, especially if you are a creative entrepreneur who's selling apparel, accessories, things like that. Plus, I'm going to show you how to do this without having to make new products because what you have is already amazing. You just have to know how to market it the right way. She illustrates, sells enamel pens. And first of all, I love enamel pens. And I felt like because we are in that Coachella festival type mood right now, that I was going to decorate a hat using pens that is inspired by that Western festival theme that we see people wearing so far for Coachella. So I'm taking a ribbon and I have some brooches that I already had, but if she was using this, she would be using her own pins to showcase how to decorate this hat, how to customize this hat using her pins. The cool thing about making it a DIY and showing people how to do something different with your product is that you don't have to take anything new. This can be done with the things that are already in her shop and adding in a few extra elements that anybody can find at a store like Hobby Lobby or at the thrift store. It doesn't have to be anything expensive, but these are things that I already had in my house as somebody who does crafts and different projects. So this was something that it did not take any extra money for me to put this together. And so because I am using products that I already own and I'm showing people how to make something that they would want to wear right now, this gives this a sense of urgency. So if I'm putting this out there, if I'm knowing, okay, festival season is coming up or festival season is here and I want to show how people can use my enamel pens and turn it into something that is a festival look so that they can have what they need in order to get their fits together. Even if you're not going to Coachella, this still works because that theme is prevalent right now. Another cool thing about this is that you're kind of being your own influencer with this approach. Imagine if something like this went viral, especially on YouTube or TikTok. DIYs are always a mood. You don't have to stop here. I would put together 1 to 2 outfits, get as much content as you can in this hat, and this is a really fun, creative way to market your products. Styling the clothes is a similar thing. So take those t-shirts that you have in the store and style them, give them that festival look. You already have the designs that match the mood. So show different ways to put it together. Give us a good lookbook. This is a fun way to take what you already have, make it fresh, make it new, make it relevant for what's going on right now, and give it a sense of urgency. So I hope that this helps you out. This is some fun things that you can do right now to make your stuff relevant, and I'll see you in the next video.